TikTok videos. You can see that. What you have to do, any videos you want to download it, just click on the three dot. Once you click the three dot, you have the copy link. You have to copy the link. After that, what you have to go, you have to go the Safari. Let me see where the Safari. This is the Safari. All right. What you have to do, okay, all right, go to the main page and you have to like a snaptiktok.com, like a snaptik.app. You down there you can see that. So what you have to do, take that link and paste it here. It's saying paste, so just paste it here. Once you paste it, what is asking you to download. So it's downloading right now. So it's gonna take some time, and TikTok videos download without watermark, fast all devices. So let's see how fast it is. I mean, I'm using for a long time, so let's see. So it's taking time. So what you have to do, refresh again if something happened like that. So you put it all again, same, and now boom, it's asking me to download Snaptik 1 or 2. So I will take 1. Once I click it, that one, it's saying download. This is for the iPhone, guys. And once you hit the download, just click the download. It's downloaded down there. Once you download it down there, you just click it and the arrow, and it says download. Look at this, that video is there. You have to click it on that videos, and this video is here, and there's no watermarks. And then what you have to do, save videos, and it's right there in your here, right there here, right? So this is the videos. I just downloaded it with watermark, without watermark. All right, so from the TikTok, and these videos you can literally take it and you can post it on the TikTok or Pinterest, wherever you want. Even you can post it on the TikTok again or Instagram, and YouTube videos, reels, and everywhere. So what I will do, I will take it, this one, and I will put it on the Instagram, because I already created content on TikTok. So
रिश्तों में भरोसा और
just be there, and here you go. Here now you can do whatever you want. You can just post it here. So what I will do, I will write the content and everything, like how you can make money, blah blah things, and just share it. It's already shared. So the thing is, like, I think it's downloading right now. So let's see how long it's gonna take. I don't know. It's downloading. I think it's done, but I don't know. So guys, meanwhile, you can follow me on TikTok or the Instagram. You can see that it's still sending video, just saying. So this is the process, guys. All right, if you guys have any question,